Hi guys, welcome to our vlog or video. For today's vlog or video, we're gonna introduce you to an author that writes a song. And of course, we're gonna talk about her in this vlog or video. So let's start our vlog or video. So this is Taylor Swift. She is a famous female singer and songwriter. She has so many albums and songs that she made. And also, if you're a fan of Taylor Swift, you can visit and follow her 5 social media accounts. So this is are the 5 apps that you can visit and follow Taylor Swift. The apps are YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter or X. So now, let's answer some questions that you're looking for information. First question, why Taylor Swift is important? Because Taylor Swift's importance lies in her multiplicated impact on music, pop culture, and social discourse. Second question, when or where Taylor Swift was born? Well, Taylor Swift was born on December 13, 1989 in West Reading, Pennsylvania. Third question, what are Taylor Swift's work? Taylor Swift's work is a prolific artist with a vast and diverse body of work spanning over 2 decades. Fourth question, what line or quotes is Taylor Swift famous for? Taylor Swift is known for her deeply personal and relatable lyrics, often drawing from her own experience and emotions. She has a knack for capturing universal feelings and moments in her songs, making them resonate with millions. Here are some of her most famous lines or quotes. Example from her interviews and speeches. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So that's all few examples of her lines or quotes. Fifth and last question. What is the impact or influence of Taylor Swift's work to your life? Well, Taylor Swift's music has had a profound impact on the lives of millions of people worldwide, including many who relate to her lyrics and themes. So that's all about Taylor Swift, and I hope you enjoy all answers that we shared to you all. Thank you for watching our vlogger video, and I hope you like it, y'all. So see you guys next time. Bye!